In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix allow access to photos being missing on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very easy if you want to go ahead and do this, but basically all you want to go ahead and do is go to the bottom left and press settings like so, scroll down and you're going to see a lot of options. So for example, if I went to apps right now and I went to like Among Us or anything, let me just go to something that's like social. For example, if I went to Chrome and then I have photo access right there, so I can actually give it photo access. But let's say if that option wasn't there for a certain application that I wanted, where it should normally be there. If it doesn't show, what I want to do is go over to screen time, which is right under focus, then scroll down and I'm going to see content and privacy restrictions. So click on that right here. And then basically when I scroll down, I'm going to see a lot of different things. But where I see photos, all I want to do is go ahead and click on that. If it's on don't allow changes, I basically want to put it to allow changes. And then from here, I could also scroll down and I'm going to see different applications that have access or limited access, things like that. I could go change it for a specific application over here as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel as well.